So this was just a little bit different video tonight. We did more cooking than talking, but of course we have to do the taste test. I know you're trying to skim my drink. Little kitchen inspiration, a nice Manhattan with some amaretto cherries. So we did some kind of cheap food tonight, but it's really good.
It's never cheap. Come on.
No, cheap food.
Cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said cheap.
Not cheap. It's never cheap, but it's cheap food.
It's pasta.
Yeah. So we used our Chipotle Red because I'm out of original, but you can use the original. I wouldn't use anything necessarily any hotter for this, and I've got the bowls in the wrong spot.
I thought that yours looked bigger than mine. I know yours. That's wrong.
That's yours. So we did a little pasta fagioli or pasta fazool. It's not typical.
Did they have that on Goonies? Pasta fazool?
I don't know. Yeah.
Pasta fazool? Yeah, y'all remember that from Goonies.
Yeah, the mama and the two boys. So I didn't have any pancetta, but I used some uncured bacon from the Salumeria at Texas Farmers Market. And if you haven't tried their charcuterie, oh my God.
Excellent.
It is really good. And then, of course, the crack rolls from Easy Tiger, the dinner rolls, are fabulous.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and eat, guys.
Yeah. So, and we did add some zucchini. I used what I had here at the house. I will list the ingredients when we show the board and in the recipe. And I'm going to taste now.
I'm way ahead of you.
Oh, that's good.
It is excellent. Wow.
So,
good flavor.
This really took probably under 40 minutes, but for sure under an hour. I want some of this.
I always gotta have an Easy Tiger dinner.
Oh yeah, oh my God, these are so good.
You're not supposed to do it like that.
Whatever.
I don't know. I think I read it in Dear Abby one time about slopping your food up with bread or something like that.
My house, I can do what I want. Our house, we can do what we want.
Yeah.
This is delicious. This is an inexpensive, fast weeknight meal. If you've got an extra or a leftover tub of a little original or some Chipotle, you got some bacon in the house, you got some pasta. I used orecchiette, but you could use any kind of pasta you wanted. Penne, elbow macaroni, whatever you have. Don't let this stop you from making this dish. Easy, simple, filling, really nice on a cold night. We don't have a front coming in until Thursday, but this was fast, and that's what I wanted to do tonight. So
Very good.
come out to the markets. Oh, we did top it with a little Grana Padana, which is always a nice touch. Come out to the markets and see us. Native Root Salsa Company and Goldenwood Mushrooms. We're there on Saturdays at the Texas Farmers Market Lakeline, Sustainable Food Center, Sunset Valley at Burger Center, and at least every other weekend at Barton Creek Mall, but hopefully coming back every weekend at Barton Creek Mall. And then on Sundays, and that Saturdays are 9 to 1. Sundays we are at the Texas Farmers Market Mueller from 10 to 2, and we are inside the pavilion. Easy Tiger's there, the Salumeria is there with their bacon. There are tons of really great vendors with really good products at the markets. So come see us, come grab a tub of salsa, come get some yum. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that notify bell so you won't miss any one of these recipes or any one of these, conversations. So we thank you for watching the video. Remember, the code for November is backyard. So if you want $2 off a purchase of $10 or more, gotta say the word. We'll see you at the market.
Backyard.